Excellennial here with another story-based Excel tutorial. And today I'm telling you about Olivia the candle maker. Olivia keeps a workbook of her websites for candle making supplies. This includes her login information to these sites. She wants to protect this data, but doesn't know how to with Excel. Olivia needs to secure her workbook by password protecting it. Here's that spreadsheet of all of the websites, her usernames, and her passwords. To add a password on the Mac, we're going to go to File and Passwords. On Windows computers, it's worded as Encrypt Workbook. Once you select that, you'll get the same pop-up on Windows and Mac. Let's start with password to open as test. Now, the reason why you may want to have a password to open be different than a password to modify is if you're sharing this information with multiple people, but you don't want them to change anything. So they can open the workbook, but they can't change anything unless they have the modified password. So we'll click OK, and then it's going to ask us to confirm the password. Now it just goes away and acts like a normal workbook. The difference is going to be when you close it and reopen it. Make sure to save so it keeps the password as well. Close it out, and now we have our folder with our login info document, and it'll give us a little pop-up asking for the password. Now it's telling us that this one has been reserved by someone. Let's say I don't have the password to edit it, then I can still select read only. Now if I go in here and delete half the passwords accidentally, and then I close it, I can still save this document, but I can't save over the read only. If I want to save it, I would have to save it as a separate document to my computer. And then it gives you the pop-up telling you just that. So let's just say we're going to close it and don't save. So if Olivia is getting back in here, no one else is going to have her passwords, but she'll be able to unlock it completely and modify it once more. Now this prompt comes up because we clicked the little box that says read only suggested. So it'll still ask you, do you want to open this as read only? What happens if you want to remove a password? You're just going to reverse the steps. Again, go to File, Encrypt Workbook if you are on a Windows computer, and Passwords if you're on a Mac. Now there's no button that says remove password, but you just have to delete all of the information in the password sections. Now if I select OK, save my document, and close, now when we reopen this document, we won't have any prompts to type in a password. And that is how you password protect or encrypt your Excel workbooks. Now Olivia doesn't have to worry about anyone else getting onto her computer and getting all of her login information. All of these websites have her credit card info and all kinds of other things that she just doesn't want to be easily accessible. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And until next time, have fun excelling!